So we're at Lake Mary. We just parked. Lake Mary, Arizona. Fishing for pike. We're going down to the lake now. The water seems really low. We'll find out. Beautiful, beautiful nature. We saw a bunch of elk. We saw some deer, some antelope, a couple coyotes. A lot of wildlife here. Going down to the lake. Just gotta be careful, a lot of rocks. I remember last year I was running. I saw the bobber under the water. So there's a pike there. I was running full speed on this path. It's funny. That's my friends. That's my friend John. Here you go. This Lake Mary, Arizona. The water's really low, so not a lot of rain or snow this year maybe. Right, John? That's my friend John. Those are my rods here. I brought a nice rod pod they can sit on. Beautiful. Let's see. Let's get some. Here's the first pike. Not too big, it's a nice one. Fighting, pretty good. So here we are. We got one pike, pretty quick. We're waiting. You can see the bobbers, one on the right, one on the left. It's a very nice rod pod. So just waiting for the next. It's really gorgeous here. I got a binocular. We saw some elk on the other side. Really stunning. So basically you have to leave the line loose, so when the pike comes she can pull line without feeling any resistance, and then give it about 10 to 20 seconds and then set the hook. We will return with the next one. There you go, we're back. The wind started to blow a little bit, which is not necessarily a bad thing. No more bites while we're waiting. The pike. So nice. What? It's a nice one. Nice one, man. So we got another pike. I got a total of 5. It's pretty windy right now, but they seem to be biting. A couple more people here on the right side. The water's really muddy. Temperature's awesome, like 75, 78, very nice. And that nice breeze makes it feel really good. We'll be back with some fish. A pike. That looks like a pike. Yep. It's a nice one. Fortunately, I'm on top of this one. There you go. Not bad. It's another pike. Yay! Look at this gorgeous sun. Amazing. Beautiful sunset. Beautiful. Good morning and welcome back to the Dobre Fishing Channel. It's our second day at Lake Mary, Arizona. Fishing for pike. Yesterday was a pretty good day. As you can see on my face, it was very windy, very sunny. Got up into 75, 80, very windy. Today is a little bit chilly. It's 6:30 a.m. The water is very calm. It's probably 30 degrees. Just got 2 rods here, as you can see on the rod pod, and waiting for some action. We will be back. Thanks and welcome back to Dobre Fishing Channel. We will be back with some action. Good morning. We're back to Lake Mary, 6:30 a.m. Beautiful, beautiful sunrise. We're ready. I got 2 rods in the water. I saw some activity, some circles, so the pike is definitely moving around. Very calm today, very calm. Not a lot of wind. Yesterday was a windy day. Beautiful. My friend John over there, he's ready, so we're just waiting for the morning bite. Yesterday we left at 6 p.m. and there is a huge herd of elk, maybe 80 to 100. It's pretty impressive. There's another fish. There was definitely a bite. There was definitely a bite. He's running. You can see here, he's pulling the line. Let's just wait a little bit, see what happens. There you go. I see some. Yep, I see some line going. Come on. Come on, just take it. Take it and go. He started running and then he stopped. You can hear the wind. Oh, here's the crow. Hello. It's pretty cool. Hear the wind to the pine trees. Look what happened there. Wow. It changed some position. It got closer to the other bobber. So there's definitely some activity there. Definitely something going on. Let's see. Oh, he's gone. He probably took my fish though. Yep, he's gone. This is a smart one. Yeah. We're back. We got a bite. It's a nice, that's a good size pike. There you go. Yeah, nice. There you go, John. Well done.